Hey everyone, Alex at Alice Mustang Garage, working on our 289 project here in the 66 convertible Mustang. Today we're going to be dropping in the distributor. Everything we're doing on this car is stock and original. So after we've gotten this guy all cleaned up, we're going to be dropping this thing in. I'm going to show you how I do that, at least. First and foremost, if you're not familiar with this, I'd like to demonstrate that I put on the ignition rotor, and this only goes on one way. It's slotted for that. So if you put your rotor on, you'll twist it and it will just kind of slide in until it goes down all the way, and that's the only way it can go on. So now with that, you can put your cap on. Your cap is notched, there's only one way it can go on, like that. And you'll notice that on the distributor caps, number one cylinder is marked. So if you set your engine to fire on cylinder 1, then your ignition rotor should be pointed relatively close to number 1 here on your distributor cap. So with that in mind, you want to get a reference as far as where that should be, and then have your rotor pointed in that general direction. So we're going to put a new O-ring around this distributor. They do have O-rings. They do get dry and brittle over the years. So got a new O-ring for that. Put a little bit of Vaseline on it so it goes in nice. Okay, and I've already set up the engine for top dead center, number 1, and we showed you how to do that in a previous video. So just to kind of show you what I'm doing, I've got it in place, and we're not all the way down yet. We're going to go all the way down to here when we're seated down, but I got my rotor roughly pointed towards number 1. So from there we can play with it and just kind of work it and try to get it into place. So the other thing you got to watch out for is that your oil pump shaft is in place and it goes right into the distributor. Okay, so that's what it's going to look like when it's all the way down, but it will fit in multiple locations. As you can see, the rotor is not pointed at number 1. Rotors number 1 should be roughly over in this area here, and so we're not quite there. So we're going to have to pick this up. I'm going to pick this up and reposition the rotor. Okay, so now it is pointed roughly at number 1. That should be the ticket right there. And then you can adjust your timing by twisting your distributor like this. And we will achieve that once we're ready to fire this back up. But that is how the distributor goes in. It is down all the way. We didn't fight it. You shouldn't have to fight these. They should go in with relative ease. But that is that part of the process. Okay, thanks for watching.